Have you ever wondered what some of the Piggy Branch realities jump scares would sound like in reverse? Well, this video is gonna show you just that. Just keep in mind that not every skin is gonna be shown in this video, so if you guys want to see a part 2, just let me know. And a quick warning to my headphone users, there's gonna be loud sounds in this video, so make sure to lower down your volume a bit. But other than that, enjoy the video. Hopefully this video was interesting to you. Subscribe or Roblox Piggy build mode will disappear out of existence.